Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an art portfolio on Wix. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account for completely free. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a page just like this. Then you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Build on the Wix editor. Then I want you to tap right where you see Set Up Without Chat. After doing that, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Art Portfolio so you can see it right there. And you're going to tap on Continue and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you will be able to give your website a name. So for example, I'm just going to call it Art and we're going to tap on Continue. From here, you can select the different apps that you would like to add onto your website. So obviously, you're going to want to add the portfolio app. But if it is a case that you're planning to sell products online, you can also select online store. And if you're going to be accepting bookings, so for example, if you would like to allow persons to book your service, you can select bookings right here. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like to add a blog to your website, you could select blog and you will be able to add blog. And you can also display your Instagram feed by selecting Instagram feed right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll tap on Continue to Dashboard. And you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Now that we're on our dashboard, the first thing we will need to do is upload our portfolio. To do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Portfolio. After selecting Portfolio, from here you can either choose to set up with AI by tapping on Next, and then from there you could upload from your computer, or you can tap on Set Up Without AI. After tapping on Set Up Without AI, you're going to see some sample products or projects that have been added. To remove these projects, you will simply tap right here. Then after you have done that, you can tap on Hide Selected, or you can choose Delete Selected. Now to add your projects, you're going to tap on Add Project. Then from there, you could give the project a name. So I'm just going to call it Test Project real quick. So let me type that in, Test Project right here. Then tap on Next. Then from here, you could add a description, or you could use the Wix AI to compose a text. Then you can add in the basic info, for example, the project type and date and location. Then you'll tap on Next once more. Now we could tap on Upload Media from Computer. And let's say for example's sake, I were to add these images. After doing that, you can tap on Open and you can see them right there. So this is it. After you're finished, you'll tap on Done and you can see it is being uploaded. This is a video, that's why. Then you will tap on Done once more and you can see how it looks. You can see right there, Manage Project, or you can choose to add another project. And we're just going to tap on the X. Now after you have added random projects or numerous projects, better yet, you can tap on Manage Projects in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you could choose to create a collection, so you could organize your projects. So you can tap on the plus right here, and from there you'll be able to create a new collection. So you could input the collection name. You could also add a cover image right here and also add a description. After you have done that, from there you can see the option projects in this collection, and you could tap on either to create a new collection, or you could tap on Manage Projects, and then from there you could select the projects that you would like to add to this collection. So that's how you'll be able to create collections using Wix, as you can see right there. After you have created your collection, you could go over to the left hand menu option, and if it is a case that you had decided to add blog, so let me save it first. Then I'll tap on Cancel right here. Then if it is a case that you had decided to add blog to your website, you could tap on blog and then from there you could select create new post, and you could create your first blog post. And you can also use the Wix AI to compose content for you by tapping on AI tools in the top left hand corner. Now you're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, from here we could tap on the search bar and we could type in art and select art portfolio and see the different recommended options, and you can scroll down until you have found one to your liking. So let's say for what I want you to do next is close the pop-up box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now when it comes on to editing your Wix website, it is quite easy. For example, we can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the text, then select edit text. Then from there I could change it to, for example, let's say I were to change it to Jason Tutorials. I can quickly do that right there. So it is as easy as that to edit any section. All you need to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit, then tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner, and from there you can choose to change the image, you can choose to change the text or anything at all. And if you like to add text or any other form of element to your website, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on add elements, and you can see all of the elements right here that you can quickly add onto your Wix website. And by the way, to view all the pages on your website, you will tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, and this will allow you to see all of the pages on your website. So for example, let's say I were to select this page, you can see how it looks right there. Then you could simply select the text and you can edit the text to your liking, and you could also select the picture and you could change the pictures to your liking also. So this is just basically a layout. All you have to do is drag and drop in whatever you want. And once you're finished, you will tap on publish in the top right hand corner and you have your website. You can see how it looks right here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.